Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Ayola of Ollie's Beauty Pro, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I transform from this to this. So guys, keep watching. So I'm starting with my makeup with a clean base before adding any color or any foundation on my face. And I'm using this Mismetic micellar water on my wipes to wipe off excess dirt and excess oil on my face, just like this. You want to achieve a clean skin to work on. So that's it. And next I'll be moving into my moisturizer using the Mismetic moisture portion to moisturize my face. So moisturizer does two important things. It smoothens the skin surface for more even foundation or concealer application, okay? And also it helps your makeup to stay longer, and also it also hydrates your skin underneath makeup and also help your skin to look less dull. You understand? So applying foundation on dry skin can cause it to look cakey, and we don't want that on this we don't want to look cakey on this look. We don't even want to look cakey. It's not good at all. So I'm just going to moisturize my face, moisturize the under eye area, and next is the vitamin C serum. So this is optional, but I love doing it. I love doing it in my makeup, in my skincare routine. So I love doing that because I love the work it does underneath my makeup. So I'm just going to work them into my skin like so. And next, please guys pardon the noise you're hearing. And next I'm going to be moving into my RIMMEL matte primer, just to prime my face because I have an oily skin. So I'm just applying it in the areas I sweat more or I produce excess oil more. So I'm just applying it on my T-zone and my forehead area. And next I'm setting everything into my skin using this Kiss Beauty setting spray. It's a good spray, guys. Try it, you love it. And next I'm moisturizing my lips. And next I'm moving into this beautiful foundation, mixing these two shades together to get my actual shade of color. I'm mixing the Sexy Almond and Ebony together to just give me my kind of shade. So guys, remember, blending is the key. Blending is the key in makeup. You have to keep blending until you achieve the natural luminous skin you want. So I'll just keep blending like this. Then next is my concealer from Ferraruci and LA Girl Pro Conceal. So I'm using the lighter shade for my under eye area for the outer part, and my T-zone area, the areas I want to pop more, the areas I want it to come out more. So I'm using a lighter shade there, and the LA Girl Pro Conceal at the rest area. So I sprayed it with the Kiss Beauty just for easy blending, and I'm blending them out like this. So next I'm setting those areas with this Avour cosmetic setting powder. So I'm dusting off the excess one at the back of my hand before applying on my face, because we don't want to bake. We just only need to set the areas we highlighted for it not to crease, for it to stay in place all through the day. So we are just gonna set them in like that with this powder. And next I'll be moving into my bronzer. So I'll be contouring using the powder contour. I'm using the dark shade in my powder palette to just contour my cheekbone. It's also called bronzing, more like bronzing my cheekbone up to my forehead area. And next I'll be snatching that nose, guys. Snatch that nose on me. Give it a snatch. So I'm snatching, so I'm contouring my nose using the same powder contour. Guys, can you see the nose? Can you see how snatch it is? So now I'm just going to bake my under eye area just to catch fallout. And also I'm gonna be defining my nose with the same powder. With the same powder. I think it's AOA product. It's a translucent powder. Yeah, it's a colorless translucent powder. So guys, can you see? Snatch that nose on me. Wow. So next is my eyebrow. So guys, if you want me to drop a full tutorial on this eyebrow, let me know in the comment section below. So if you want me to drop a full tutorial of an eyebrow, how you can draw your eyebrow, tell me and let me know in the comment section below. So now I'm drawing this eyebrow with my brow pomade and my flat brush, and I'm filling it in with my eye pencil, my Davis pencil, the way you see me do, just like that. And I'm also highlighting the under I'm also highlighting the brow bone with my Ferraruci concealer, the one I use in highlighting my face. So I'm highlighting and also blending out at the same time, and I used my shade of color to highlight the brow tail and the brow head. So I use a concealer of my shade of color to highlight those areas. And next I'm priming my eye to get my eye ready for my eyeshadow. So I'm using this goldy brown, maybe, I don't know, is it yellowish or goldy brown something, for my transition color, and I'm using this too pinky color for my eyelid. So you need to dust off excess before applying, and you just need to place them. You don't need to drag, you just need to place and blend at the same time for your eyeshadow to come out popping. So I'm gonna be contouring the outer V with this purple shade. Yeah, just like that. And I'm dragging into my crease at the same time. So let me just chip this in so fast. So if you're wondering how I did my hair, I have the tutorial up here. I'm gonna leave it up here on the screen, so just check it out. It's super easy to do yourself. So next I'm blending with that goldy brown I showed you the other time. So I'm blending them out. I'm blending it and as well using it on my crease area for my transition color. So I'm using that also to blend out the ash lines, and I'm using this orange shade of color on my crease also, just to make it come out more, because it's like I'm not seeing the brown color I used the other time. So I'm just using it just to make it come out popping. So next I'm smudging this same color I use on my eyelid under my waterline, just to give it that smoky effect, just to make it look popping. Everything popping, yeah, just to make it look popping, just give it that smoky effect. So now I'm lining my lash line using my gel liner from 24 million Pauline. So next I'll be applying the same gel liner on my waterline, and next I'm using the mascara from ZARON on my lashes, and I'm wearing this false lashes from, I don't know, I've been wearing it for a very long time. This is even the 4th time I think that I'm wearing these lashes, so pardon me, I forgot the name. So I'm wearing this on my eye like that. And next I'll be dusting off the excess powder under my eye using my shade of color, just to dust off and blend at the same time, and to get rid of the ash lines under my eye, my nose area. No. So next I'm applying this beautiful blush from CPD on my cheek, towards my forehead too, and on my nose ball, just to give my face a pop. And I'm using this 2 lipstick from FINA COSMETIC. I'm using a Burguny and a nude. Is that a rose nude or a pinky nude? I don't know, but I'm using the Burguny. I'm using the Burguny shade of color to line my lip, and I'm using that nude one at the middle. If it is pink nude or something, I don't know. If you are the kind of person that know about color, just comment. If you know the color, just comment it below, let me know. So I'm using that to line my lip like so, and I'm using the nude one at the middle. So today we are going for a matte lip. I'm not going for a glossy lip today. I'm doing a matte lip. So next I'm spraying my face using the same Case Beauty setting spray, just like that. Showers of rain on me. Guys, I love spraying. And so now I'm moving into my highlighter from Revolution Makeup. So I'm just using it like so. Guys, check out the glow. Wow. So I'm using it on my nose ball, my T-zone, just to bring out the glow on my face And now we're going for the body oil from Avour. So I'm applying that on my body just like that. And guys, I'm using this eyeshadow pigment. I'm using it on my cheek just to highlight, just to make the highlights pop more. Guys, can you see the glow? It's an eyeshadow pigment. Can you see the glow? Oh my word. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and this is the final look. So guys, if you love this video already, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share and comment what you feel about this look in my comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.